LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for the trade, and even we mentioned we can expect the price to drop for the bigger correction, and this is what we get. Okay, and anyway, if anyone get the trade from this move, they have to start to manage, because the way is moving is tend to corrective. No, if there is a continuation as a corrective, still we can look for this flat relative to this. That's why still we can expect the price to drop. Okay, unless we get the bigger correction here, then it can give us, we can look for trade setup, or we get the sharp move to break this move, and any flag from there we can look for the next trade. And even if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us anything, all right, but here we can see the divergence. Anyway, we will move to a higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart, we get this sharp move, and now we want to see whether we can look for the reversal or bigger consolidation. Okay, and we don't have anything to discuss based on daily chart. In this case, we move to forward chart. The only things we need to mention here, whether we can expect this one turn to a similar to what we have here for the big correction. All right, because if we refer to what analyzes when the price was within this move, even we mentioned we can get the big correction relative to this. Now we want to see whether this one we can expect for the one more drop or not. That's why if we want to look for trade based on 1 hour chart within this correction, we need to be quite careful. Okay, in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. You want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. All right. And as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart in my earlier, if there is a continuation because this kind of the corrective, either we can get a sharp move down or sharp move up. Okay, we cannot confirm which one we get, but mostly we can expect the price to drop with a sharp move, similar to, because of, even especially since we have this flat, we can input in relative to this. That's why if anyone get any trade within this move, they should know how to manage. And even there is a continuation, we cannot look for trade. Either we get the drop, big correction, then from there we can look for trade, or if we get a sharp move flag from there. Right, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and if we get any sharp move with the flag, this is where we confirm the price is going to drop and retest this low. Maybe from there we can look for